I want to play a game. I'm Jigsaw, but I'm a gangster now. I realized what I was missing out on, and I decided to convert myself. Now let me tell you something. There's one thing that all of you people there have wanted to see Jigsaw do. I'm about to do that. No, I'm not going to jerk it off. I'm going to do something that everybody wants to see. Eat a cookie. Dun 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 dun.
Which cookie first?
This one was gay. Alright, let's do this. Oh, that's pretty good. Ah. Are you happy? Yeah. Now, you're going to see Jigsaw drink cold water. Did you like it? How about a peanut butter cookie?
With
the Hershey
dog crap on the top.
Oh.
You got some chocolate hanging out.
Okay, well, I'll see you next time.
Have a good day.